Hello and Assalamu alaikum. We are the team Morse coders. Today I will do a demonstration of our project AucDais. I am Arif Shariar Rahman and my project partner is Sadia Saman. So what is AucDais? AucDais is an online auctioning platform where you can host an auction, place bids in an auction, chat with sellers, pay and receive payments, and so on and so on. So we have built this project using GXJS as frontend, Java Spring Boot as backend, and we have used PostgreSQL as our database. So what can users do in AucDais? First of all, users can sign up and log in using their credentials. Logged in user or some visitors can search for auction products. They can see what auctions are available in our system. Logged in users can save auctions for future. They will receive an email notification when an auction is available. Uh, Logged in users can also bid on auctions which are ongoing. They can chat with sellers, they can chat with other persons in a live auction. Everything will be sent via email. Every notification like an auction has started or on an auction has ended or you have on an auction, etc. You can also host an auction. We have also demonstrated a demo of how we can pay or receive our payments. Now I will demonstrate how our UI looks, how everything works, and how we coded the entire thing. So now I will show you around our website. This is the front page or home page that the user will be shown when he or she visits the website. Some auctions are chosen randomly to show in this page. You can see a brief discussion and the name of that auctions. To see further details, you must log in our system. You can also do a search here. Like if I do search like car, I can see what type of car is available for the auction. To sign up in our system, you have to go here and click sign up. Now you have to give your credentials here. Like if I give a first name of Harry, last name of Potter, enter an email like harry@gmail.com, give a phone number, uh, address of Dhaka, Bangladesh, password. After filling all the credentials, we have to click submit and we'll be sent an email. The email via the email we have given. So I am using mail dev to demonstrate how the email will be sent. Here is the received email. So a token will be generated, which is valid for 15 minutes only. So you have to verify your email within this time limit. So if I click activate now, I'll be redirected to a page called token confirmed. Now, if I go back to the login page, I can log in using the credentials I have provided, like harry@gmail.com. Then I type the password. Now I have logged in the system. So after logging in, I will be shown the home page. Here, some randomly picked auctions will be shown. Now, if I click in show details, I'll be shown the details of that auction, particular auctions, like it is not sold yet. As the auction is not live, so it is closed. The minimum price of that auctions current bid is $0 when the auction will be live and when the auction will be closed. So here we can see the details. I can also message the seller from here. So I can say I can send a message to Henry Grant who hosted this auction. I will demonstrate the messaging system afterwards. Now, if I look to our left, you can see here is some ad auctions, live auctions that is going on live, some saved auctions, own auctions, my auctions, history, and message. So if I want to host an auction, I can go here and fill in some credentials. Like if I want to sell a bike, I can type the bike name here, give some descriptions, minimum price, address, tax, etc. So I will fill up this form now and we'll demonstrate further in the future. Now I can see set and start date, start time, end date, and end time here. I can choose the start date from here. Like if I choose to host this auction in today at around 8 a.m., then auction will be ended at Saturday 20 August and it will end around 9 p.m. So now we click next. Here we can pick a photos, like here are some random photos of the bike, so I can choose a bike. Then next, here I'll be shown some the information that I have provided in the forms before. So if I now click confirm, the auction was created successfully, then I can go back to home. And if I now go to my auctions, I can see the auctions that I've created now. So if I click on view, I can see the details provided, and if I want to change something, so I can click on update and change anything. Like if I change the name of the bike, now I want to change the price also, and click on update. So you can see the name has been changed and the price has also been changed. So this is how the my auctions will work. Uh, Same like changing the information that we have provided while creating the auctions, we can also set our profile. If I go to profile, I can see the information that I provided. I can also choose a profile picture. So let me choose a profile picture. Profile picture has been updated. Now if I go back to add auctions, I can also add some auctions and go to live auctions. I can see the live auctions that are going here. Now, for demonstrating the live auction, I can save this auction. I can click on save, and this auction has been saved in my inventory. So if I go to saved auctions, I can see the iPad for sale, the max bid, the start time, and the end time. I can delete that auction. I can also view that auctions. So if I save some multiple auctions, like I can also save this using our search. So if I go back to our saved auctions, here we can see the iPhone 13 has been saved in my inventory. So now if I click on delete, this item will be deleted. And if I also click delete here, this item will also be deleted. So this is how the saved auctions work. Another thing that save auctions performs is that when you save an auctions, when the auction will go live, you will get an email notification, and when the auction will end, you will also get an email notification. I'll demonstrate this functionality shortly. Now I will show you how saved auctions email notification works. So if I go to search again, now we can see that it will go live in 7/5 today at 15 August 8:15 August. So if I click saved, it has been saved in my inventory. So if I go to saved auctions, I can see it here. Now I have to wait for some time to show you that email has arrived. So I will fast forward this moment. So now you can see that I have received two email, one for Harry, one for Jane. So as I have logged in as Harry, you can see that iPhone auction 13 is live. You can now bid on this product, or you can visit this website or directly visit this link via uh, an a URL. So I'll be sent an email and URL. So if I go back to our website, I can now view these auctions and see this auction is live. So if I go to live auctions, I can see that this auction is live. Now I can view and bid on this iPhone auction. So I can see that the minimum price is $400. So if I want to bid something like 390 or something less than 400, I'll be shown an error like this bid amount must be greater than the current bid amount. So I must have to bid something like 401 and so on. So if I bid 401, this is updated in real time. So if I go and log in as another user in another browser and visit these auctions, so I have to log in again as my session passed out. So now I have to sign up again. So if I sign up, oh sorry, log in again as Jane, gmail.com, password is given, and log in and go to live auctions. I can see that the iPhone is live. So I can now also bid on this. So if I show this side by side, you can see that the bid is 401. Now I can bid like 402. You can see that the maximum bid is updated here and also it is updated here. As this is a live auction, you can also send real-time chatting here. So I can send message like I can send a message and I can see that the message is updated in my Harry Potter account. I can also send a replay from here. So I have sent a replay. This replay is now here. Yes, I'm also bidding here by Harry Potter. So this is all done in real time. I can also see how many hours till the end of the bidding. So when the bidding will end, the host and the highest bidder will be sent an email. So I will now manually set this time to like 10 to 20 minutes and show you the demonstration of how the bid ending will occur. So one thing I forgot to mention is that the chat you saw here previously, like here, and if I go back here, live auctions, so here bit, this is a chat room. Like there will be multiple people chatting in real time. So if I open an incognito window, so I have logged in as now Henry Grant. So now if I go bid, I can see the messages here. I can also send a message like, I just came here to bid. So the message is sent. I will go and check back. So you can see the messages here. So this is the chat room where we implemented. Now if I place a bid from Henry Grant, like $500. So this is updated, bid is placed. And this is also shown in all the other participants like here in Jane Austen the max bid is set to 500 and same goes back to the Henry Grant. So yes, like this will be updated in every other uh, places. So now as we can check history and we can see all the bets that we have placed in iPhone 13. So we can see that Henry Grant has placed the highest bid in iPhone 13. So I can view this. So this is the just page. So if I go back to live auctions and view this page, so this will end, and I have manually set it to like say finish in 1 hour. So after 1 hour, this bid will end, and as Henry Grant has placed the highest bid, he will be sent an email to proceed to the payment and the winning condition of the bid. So I will wait and fast forward this time. So as we can see, as the time has passed that I have set manually, so I have on the highest bid. I have also sent an email like the auction iPhone 13 has ended. You have won the highest. You have won the auction with the highest bid. So this email has been sent to henry@ymail.com, which is the highest bidder. So I can now also view this product. I can see that it is sold, and I can also rate this product here. Like if I give a rating, like 5 star. So I have submitted the review. So if I go back to own actions, I can proceed to pay and pay using card, PayPal, or Bcash. So this is just for demonstration. So if I want to pay in Bcash, so this is the Bcash. So I have to give the phone number, the transaction number, the amount, and I have to confirm payment. So if I give something like phone number, transaction number, and the amount was $500, so I have to give $500. If I give anything like 512, so this will show an error, the amount is incorrect, so I have to give $500. So confirm payment. So payment has been successful. So this is just for demonstration. We are planning to further elaborate it using API from Bcash, PayPal, or some credit card service like SSL Commerce. So we have also implemented chatting to the seller. If you want to get further information from a seller, like I have such an iPad, so this is an iPad. I can view this product. So this is the details. So if I want to know further about this product, I can message the seller. So I can see the uh, message will be sent to John Doe, who is the owner. So if I want to send a message like, so I can hit send. So this message will be sent here. So if I log out from Jen in as, sorry, log in as John, and I can go to messages. I can see there's someone who's already sent some messages here. Like Jen sent me some messages, and the recent message I've got is from Henry that, hey, I want to know something more about the iPad you are selling. So I can reply like, I have sent a reply. So the display has been sent. So I can see that uh, John has sent me a message like, yes, ask away. So I can continue further chatting. The message has been sent, and also there is a message from the other side. So this is how one-to-one message will look like sending message to some seller, and also this message will be sent as an email to everyone. Like if I send you a message, you will receive an email like someone has sent you a message, like John has sent Henry a message like, yes, ask away. So Henry has sent John a message like what was the initial cost of the product. So this is how one-to-one message will look like. So before going further, I want to show you the APIs that we have implemented. So this is all the APIs available in our system. We have stored this using and documented this using Postman. So this link to this documentation will be in our README file of our GitHub repository. So you can check all the requests that we can perform here. So this is basically how our entire system will work. You can place a bid, you can chat with others, you can play host an auction, you can take part in auction, you can see your history, how many times you have placed a bid, you can see your messages, and so on and so on. We are trying to improve this project further, like we are trying to implement the payment APIs. We'll also implement some user settings like which mails you want to receive and which mails you don't want to receive. Like now all mails, like all messages, all saved auctions, etc., will be sent to you directly. So if you don't want to receive some email messages, you can turn that off. Now I will demonstrate our code base and the modules we have implemented. So if we go back to our code base, so this is our code base and this is running. So there are modules like auction products, chat room, email, file storage, history, message, rating review, saved auctions, scheduler, security session, token users, etc. So now how we have implemented everything. So the user class will hold all the users that are logged in here. So this is our user database. You can see all the passwords has been hashed, the phone number, etc. here. We have hashed the password using the Java's built-in function. So if I go to user service, you can see that we have used decrypt to hash our passwords. So every time a user will sign up, he will be sent a confirmation email, and every time our user logs in, we will generate a random string which will be used for session management. The string will be passed as token for every request that you perform, and also the string or the token will be saved in your cache, so that every request from front end contains that token, and that token will be matched against our token in which is stored in session token. Like here you can see that 4 users have logged in. So this token has a starting time and an ending time. So anytime is pretty low, or like 1 hour. So yeah, after that we are logged out and we have to log in again to continue our search and everything. So to uh, store the files like images files and etc., we have a module like file storage saves the file generally in our server, like under resource and uploads. You can see the pictures here, so that has been uploaded here. So after uploading, you will be given an URL to download an image, and that URL is stored alongside the other information that you provide. Like here you can see the images. So for sending email on and starting auctions, we have implemented scheduler. This scheduler will run every 1 minute, and after running every 1 minute, it will see that which auctions has to start. Then this will start that auctions. This will send email to those who have wishlisted that auction, and uh, alongside, if there is an auction which has to end in this time, like within a certain time, this scheduler will set set that auction to end, and it will set it to false. So if someone has the highest bid, it will send him the message or email. And if there is no one bidding, so it will send the user, that the host, that there's no one has placed a bid in our auction, so we have to host that auction again to continue. So this is in a nutshell how our backend works, and this is our front end implemented in JavaScript. So I have worked mostly in the backend side, and my partner has worked on the front end side. So this is our project AucDais. I hope you like our project. Thank you.